If you've been injured in a motor vehicle accident, you may wonder how to determine if compensation being offered by ICBC is reasonable and fair. In order to assess this, it is necessary to have a very basic understanding of how personal injury claims are quantified. Compensation for personal injury claims is made up of several different factors, including considerations like the nature of the injury sustained, how long the injury impacted your day-to-day life, whether the injury resulted in lost employment income, and whether the injury may impact your life in the future, including your ability to work. Out-of-pocket expenses and expenses that might be incurred in the future, including any future medical expenses, also have to be factored in. This is by no means an exhaustive list of factors, but these are some of the more common factors that have to be considered in determining fair and reasonable compensation. If ICBC fails to explain their offer in terms of the factors that I've already discussed, it might suggest that ICBC hasn't given full consideration to your particular circumstances prior to putting forward its offer of settlement. If this is the case, then there will of course be concern that the offer is not reasonable. If this concern exists, and because of the complexities involved in determining appropriate compensation for your accident-related injuries, in most cases it is a good idea to have a lawyer working with you. Your lawyer can then provide guidance on settlement negotiations. Particularly important, your lawyer will help ensure that the settlement will properly address future issues and expenses that you may not otherwise consider. The earlier on in the process you involve a lawyer, the better, as your lawyer will then ensure all important factors are taken into account right from the start. If you've been involved in a motor vehicle accident or injured in some other manner and have questions, please contact a member of our personal injury team.